Well, he's back. The juice man, Harold Leffall, is back in the Rising Kitchen. He got some leafy greens with him today, but thankfully, I don't have to drink them. Find out why. That's up next. All right, lots of us are trying to live healthier lifestyles, whether it's exercising more or making changes to our diet, but it's not always easy to do. Back with us this morning is content creator Harold Leffall. Now, I like to call him the juice man around it. That was a name I gave for you. Does that bother you?
I love that noise. Yeah, it's stuck. It's stuck.
All right. And I won't even charge you for it. But now we're calling him the salad guy. He's got a new book called Get Your Salad On, and we're here to talk all about it.
Yeah. You know, people know me as the Get Your Juice On guy.
Yeah.
But what happened was we did a 30-day salad a day challenge, and it really was surprising the transformation that people had. And so folks were asking for recipes and dressing recipes because, you know, you can mess up a salad with the dressing. You can mess up a healthy salad with some dressing.
Well, did you bring some ranch? I don't think you did. So, what was the inspiration behind making this into a book?
Well, because a lot of people want to get healthier, but don't know where to start, and they don't want to invest in a juicer. So doing a salad a day, you don't have to buy any special equipment. Just get you some produce, put it in a bowl, and you're ready.
That's something I wanted to ask you about because this is probably a more affordable option of getting healthier than juicing. You did show us some inexpensive ways to juice, but easier as far as preparation and
it's money. And it's easier to incorporate into your diet. Most people are familiar with salads, and so just doing one salad a day can really be transformational.
So why is it so important for us to eat? I mean, eat salads. We know it's important, but a little harder to incorporate in our daily diet.
Yeah. Well, the truth is, most people don't get the recommended 2 to 4 cups of vegetables a day. So having a salad a day is an easy way to incorporate that into your diet.
All right. So what will people learn in this book, Get Your Salad On?
Well, you're going to learn how to make some creative plant-based salads, but more importantly, you're going to learn how to make your own dressing because a lot of the store-bought dressing is high in sodium and has a lot of preservatives that make salads unhealthy.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
All right, well, I hope you have all the ingredients that we can make some ranch for this salad. We're going to taste a little bit later on. Don't go anywhere. Harold is coming back later in the hour. We're going to make a salad, and, well, yeah, I'm going to have to eat it. Coming right back. All right, going green is good for the environment and also for your body. Salads are a healthy option to, you know, if you want to feed your body something that it would love to have. The guy I call the Juice Man has returned to the Rising Kitchen, but now he has transformed into the Salad Man. This morning, he's even got a book about it called Get Your Salad On. It's right here. He promises he's going to sign a copy for me. Welcome back, Harold Leffall.
I'm glad to be back.
So listen, I had to pull Denise in here because this is her thing.
It is. I'm super excited that you're here because I love a salad and healthy eating. So this is right in line with what I like to do.
And you know, if you've ever had kale salad, this one takes it to the next level.
Okay.
This is a spicy kale salad that's packed with protein. Because a lot of people think, where am I going to get my protein when eating salads? So we have chickpeas, hemp seeds, as well as nutritional yeast. All of those have protein.
All right, so yeah, I'm sure everything has a benefit to the body. What do we got?
Yeah.
What are the hemp seeds?
So it's protein.
Okay.
So it's going to help you build
muscle.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
And this is detoxifying. The cabbage and onions are detoxifying for the body. Of course, we know carrots are good for your eyes.
Eyesight. So they say.
Yeah. Kale is packed with antioxidants, so that's going to keep you healthy.
All right, and this is avocado.
Guacamole.
Guacamole.
Yeah, and that's that good fat. We need fat in our body.
Okay.
Yeah. So you get all that in a salad. And so this is real quick and easy to do.
All right, well, let's do
We're
it.
just going to throw in all of our
And Denise, I don't know what kind of salad dressing you prefer, but he doesn't have any ranch.
So we're using, instead of ranch, we're using avocado oil and some Italian seasoning, as well as some cumin, because, you know, the salad is just, you know, the seasoning is what makes it.
Yeah.
So
Listen, Harold, you talk a good game.
you know, everything tastes good with a little seasoning.
It does.
Just think about it, if you ate chicken without any seasoning. That's true. Yeah, like this, yeah, be there. So we're just gonna add all our ingredients. Now, the nutritional yeast. Now, if you like cheese, this is perfect because it gives it a cheesy day without any of the dairy. So it's packed with protein and B12. So you don't like cheese?
No, put that on Denise's side.
I like it.
Oh, Nia. And then these hemp seeds, again, they have protein. They give it a nice crunchy taste. And so I already have one prepared for you guys. So let's see. See, look at that. Look at that, Joe.
Oh,
Look at all that good nutrition. Look at all that good stuff.
yeah.
And have you had purple cabbage before?
I have. It's a good high nutrient veggie also.
Yeah, look at all that good nutrition. It's going to have you feeling good, looking good. Your skin is going to be popping.
All right, well, listen, I'm down with some poppins here. All right.
There you
Thank you.
Yeah. So give it a try. That's spicy kale. I think I'm gonna eat. Well, no, I threw it.
I was gonna eat around the chickpea, but I got one. All right.
Mm-hmm. That's good. I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Joe?
You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. You need a napkin?
No, no, it's not bad. That's not bad.
It's good.
I think it would be banging with some ranch. Oh, I have some in the break room, so I'm gonna get that.
Well, speaking of ranch, we got a ranch recipe, plant-based recipe in there where you can make it with hemp seeds. It's just like what you would have in the store.
Okay. Now, tell everybody where they can get the book. I think I just spit some salad out.
You can get it on Amazon or you can get it at my website.
Okay, which is?
www.goodlivingnow.com.
All right, goodlivingnow.com. Harold Leffall, thank you so much. Come back, because I'm sure you've got some summer juice recipes.
Oh, yeah. I've got to get our summer body ready.
All right, let's do it.